Open Source India Summit has been an amazing conference for past many years. We have been part of the summit previously as well. But I think very well managed, very well organized.
Loved the speaker lineup and the kind of sessions that were organized. We met really amazing people here, including the founder of MySQL and MariaDB. So we really enjoyed the sessions. Loved the AI and ML focus, which is the need of the hour. And the tracks were really well spaced out. There was a developer track, infra track, security, databases. So a little bit for everybody, right? And for a student who's coming over here, just gives a good overall picture of everything open source and what they can really start developing with. So really love that.
This is the second time that Clary has got the opportunity to set up a booth here at OSI. Needless to say that because this is the second time, we really wanted to come back after the experience of the first time to once again get a chance to interact with the young minds that are present here, and even beyond that, because we got a chance at our talent branding, we got a chance to connect with so many people, rising stars I would say. The fact that we were able to connect not just with students and professionals who are just entering their journey, but also with a lot more experienced folks with whom we had a chance to have an explicit networking event. So it was a wonderful experience on and on.
Content-wise was good. The booth setup and all the experience and services that I got from the team was wonderful. So I'll give 10 out of 10 in that aspect.
So it's the second day at the open source event, and so far it is good. So we're getting more traction on the event, and the crowd is really good and enthusiastic. And we are loving this event.
So we were looking for audience who are deeply interested into what we do and how we do using open source. We were interested in making our love for open source known to the community, and I found this community to be really engaging. We were looking for some great talent, and we have been able to meet some of the great talent, technical talent that we want. I think that we have been successful, and with the help of Open Source India and the hosts here, we have been successful at achieving what we wanted to achieve with this organization. We had great engagement, great vibe here, so we absolutely loved it.
I'm happy that you have make it freely available for people to come in and see the keynotes and participate with the booths. That's good, and keep things open, keep it available so that there's a low barrier for anybody to be able to participate. And you are doing that good. Please continue doing that.
It's like all our wishes were granted because we were able to manage to meet all sort of people, like the legal, the organization who deals with the tools on which we work for our compliance work. So we were able to meet all the people. So yeah, it's like wish almost fulfilled.
See, we are into open source databases, and there is no other great event than Open Source India to market this. Right, and this is where we reach the right audiences.
The speaker session was good. We got quite a good audience. We also got good responses. We met a few people after that really liked our talk. Some of them also wanted to adopt the free product which we have, and we met, and we are actually going forward with our discussions with them now to how we can incorporate their changes, whatever they need, and we will hopefully have them in the future as a customers.
So it's a great open source conference, so we can hear lots of really good solutions that we can find at open source.
And also we'd like to show the concept of cybersecurity and to show people how can we make secure designs, secure applications.
So we have got a right set of people, starting from students who are studying in colleges, to we were able to associate with some B2B partners who are working in various different organizations. Also, we could see some founders and speakers who are very interested to know about our open source project, and they were also willing to contribute in our larger forum of community. Considering this is an open source project, we were actually aiming to get some larger contributions in our community so that they could enhance our code and build a better system.
If I talk about this event, that's been a fantastic experience. This is our first time coming to the event, and we are sure that we will do it every year. That's what we plan to do. We were nervous while coming here, but the team made it so good. It made it so smooth experience that we have had no issues so far. The audience has been amazing as well. They're coming to our booth, they're asking questions, more relevant questions as well. So I think open source is one of the topics which is very close to our hearts. So this event has been really successful for us, and we look forward to do it every year on year. There is nothing to dislike, by the way.
We wanted to meet the open source community and tech community. We wanted some platform where we can meet them and, grow our awareness or maybe grow our community because we have a huge TiDB community, and we wanted to meet the tech community and open source community, and that is also because TiDB is also open source. So that this event actually kind of helped us to to get in touch with those community, and also we have met some tech guys with whom we had a very very engaging conversation and got to know about their perspective around database, and also we got to know some insights about the database industries. So I would say the audience here were quite relevant for us, and we are having a great time chatting with them.
So while coming into this open source event, we met multiple developers. Okay, it has been helped in a business perspective. Also, we have just most students also came to this particular event. They can just able to learn more things about this conversational AI. And coming to the event part, the event was well and good, and it has been organized in a correct way. And secondly, coming into the hospitality and everything, it was really good.
The best part here is actually the highest footfall, and then the mix of the audience that ranges from the learning to the people who are wanted to start their own applications and then develop their own applications using the open source as a community, and that's the best part.
Here at Open Source India, we can get a vibrant vibrant audience here who range from students, developers to various adopters. We got all kind of people out here, and we are definitely very satisfied with the kind of response we got here from different kind of audience that we.
Happy to see all the open source enthusiasm and contributors, committers, maintainers in this space of the 2 days amazing workshop. Looking forward for more open source events and all.
Personally, I've attended the conference for many years now, more than 10 years at least. And it's an excellent venue to meet other people who care about similar things as we do. And also to create awareness about running free software, Libre software in as many places as possible. So, that's one of the reasons we participate, to get the word out, to meet people, understand how they look at this whole ecosystem of free and Libre software.